Kenny, you're on camera. Hey guys, Chef Tom here. Welcome to this Watch Me video vlog. As you guys know, Watch Me Cook is no more. It's now Watch Me Video. And we have 3 different series going on right now. We have, of course, I'm here with Henrietta. We got Nora and Henny's Cupcake Adventure. That's right. She's in this vlog right now. Of course, you guys have my original series, Watch Me Cook. And, of course, the other one is more educational one, is cooking class. And we did that because we want to emphasize the 3 E's. We want to be eclectic, we want to be entertaining, and we want to be educational. Right, Henny? Right? Yeah, right. Okay. Guys, I know. I got to work on it. But some of you guys are probably wondering, Chef Tom, why are you holding a purple hippopotamus? Do you have issues or something? No. We decided to put on a point with Nora and Henny's Cupcake Adventures. We wanted to focus on the topic of adoption. And adoption is very near and dear to my heart. When I was a boy, my parents adopted my 3 brothers and my 2 sisters. And actually, one of my sisters, never mind. Adoption is a very big deal in my family. If it wasn't for adoption, we wouldn't have a big family. I wouldn't have 15 nieces and nephews. I only have 2. So it's a big deal. And it just shows that, you know, just because somebody's different, just because somebody wasn't born into your family, doesn't mean that they can't belong and be a part of your family. And it's a really big thing. It's a message we really want to get across. And make some really cool cupcakes while we're at it. So it's pretty fun. Plus, it gives me a chance to get behind the camera and to showcase my wife, and that's always a really, really good thing. And, of course, cooking class is the educational part of the E, and then Watch Me Cook is the eclectic side of what we're really doing. And it's just a lot of fun, and I'm going to be focusing more on my story about how I've battled with autism in the restaurant industry and how I've had to overcome it, but still make some really great tasting food while I'm at it. So it's going to be good. It's going to be really good. It's going to be good stuff, right, Henny? Oh. All right. Sounds good. Anyway, guys. Just want to go on here, do a vlog. Just remember, Watch Me Cook is now Watch Me Video. It's a lot of fun. It's a lot of good stuff. And hope you guys enjoy our content. And, you know, we're just trying to get our subscribers. So please subscribe to the channel and support what we're doing. Right, kiddo? Yeah, absolutely. All right, guys. Go be awesome. Get out of here. Chef out.